Welcome guys to the Crochet Beads channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you how to crochet this simple bag handle, reversible, super easy, and also I will show you how to attach it to swivel hook clasp from one side and from another side. For this tutorial I'm going to use this yarn Bermuda, and here how it looks, and I'm going to use this yarn for the crochet bag in my next video tutorial, and 4mm crochet hook, so you may use any yarn, cotton yarn or decor yarn. First of all, take a clasp and make 4 loops through the ring. So this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Turn the clasp so the working yarn is from the left side. Now pick up all 4 loops with your hook. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Make yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. Now insert your hook underneath second, third and fourth loops. Like before, just skip the first one, and now second, third and fourth loops. Yarn over and pull through 3 loops. Now through the third and fourth, yarn over and pull through 2, and now only through the fourth loop, yarn over and pull through 1. Again, you have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 4 loops, and that's what we are going to repeat. Again, insert your hook through second, third and fourth loops, yarn over and pull through 3 loops. Now insert the hook through third and fourth, yarn over and pull through 2, and for the last time insert the hook through the fourth loop, yarn over, pull through 1, and now yarn over, pull through all 4 loops on the hook. Do not pull tight and repeat. Pull through 3. Now underneath through the third and fourth, pull through 2 and pull through 1, and finally yarn over, pull through all 4 loops. And let's repeat. Pull through 3, pull through 2 and pull through 1, and at the end pull through 4 loops. Here it is, and again. Here it is. Please go on crocheting until you reach desired length, and at the end I will show you how to connect to the second hook and how to weave in ends. Here I am. So cut the yarn, pull through the last loop, take the clasp, pull the yarn through the ring, so that it looks like this. Now find the first loop and pull the yarn through this loop. Again, pull the yarn through the ring, find the second loop and pull it through the loop of the last row. Again, pull the yarn through the center here, find the third loop and pull through. And for the last time, the fourth loop, wait, not this one, here it is, and pull through. Now take the yarn needle if you have, if not, just take a smaller size hook, so it will be easier to work and to weave in. And pull through all 4 loops. And one more here. Okay. Find next 4 loops and pull the tail underneath. Turn and again next 4 loops. Do not pull tight and cut. Okay, one side is ready, and let's work with this side as well. Pull the tail underneath here. And now 4 loops here. Pull. And let's do once more. And cut the yarn. That's it, guys. Look at this handle. Looks really great. Can be used as a belt as well. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Check more video tutorials on my blog and YouTube channel. Bye!